everyone, Amanda here, thanks for joining me. So I thought I'd share some more Happy Mail. I've got no tutorials up for this week because I'm busy with a project that I'm doing as a custom order. Tutorials will return as soon as I've done, but I've had a lovely box sent from my very long time crafty friend Karen McClure. She sent me something else that was private that I've taken out, but she can't just send one thing, Karen. She's naughty. She's sent me loads of stuff, so I'm going to show you, because she's a prolific crafter. When she's when she's well, she crafts a lot, and she is the most beautiful crafter, so you're going to get some ideas here. So first of all, what's this? Look, everything's wrapped up beautifully, and she's made these little round topper, a bit like an ATC coin. Look how beautiful that is, with the little dangle on with the butterfly. That's gorgeous. In fact, I might sneak that inside the journal I'm doing, because it's got a lady on. So in there, it looks like she's made some, are they just plain tags? Yeah, it looks like she's shared some plain tags with me. Let me just see if they're plain or if she's decorated them. No, yeah, the various size plain tags, so they're good. I mean, I can make tags by cutting up cardstock, but it's always good to have some on hand when, it saves you a bit of time, doesn't it? And the string on those is lovely, because it's that thin string. I know that sounds like I'm waffling, but and look how lovely she's wrapped it with the doily as well. So that's that one. That's this. Look at this little box. How lovely is this? It says beautiful soul. Ah, beautiful ribbon. Don't know what's in it. I shall save that. How's this opening, Karen? Hold on, I don't know. She glued it shut. Have you glued it shut? Surely not. Have you glued it shut? She has. She's glued it shut. Oh, that's a shame. So I could have reused it. Let me just check. No, yeah, she's definitely glued that shut. I think. Yep, she has. She's glued it shut. There we go. Beautiful. Oh, what's in here? Look at these. Oh, it's one of the it's got tangled. One of the glue caps, which is fabulous. That's pretty, isn't it? Look at that. She's made that all beaded, and it says fearless. That's lovely, and that will go perfect in there. Thank you, Karen. Oh, that's really pretty. I won't want to use that. Baby's breath, I haven't had any of these for years. Gosh, I haven't. Oh, she sent me some little flowers. Those are pretty, aren't they? What else is in here? Oop, flowers. Flowers. Little ribbon bow. That's pretty. Another one. Some more little flowers. She might have made those ones. I'll just put it back in. Oh, lovely, thank you. And another little glue bottle pin. I can't think of the actual proper term for them. That's what they are. So that's that. She's even made that lovely box, look. What shall I? What's in this one? What's this? Look at that little tiny envelope. How cute's that? What's in there? Oh, you've glued everything down. I want to reuse it. Oh, I might still be able to reuse that. What's in here? Oh, bless her. I said I wanted some, and she's shared some of hers, because they're strangely expensive on Amazon, are these. I need to get some on AliExpress. So these are mother of pearl buttons. I shall save these because I'm going to be doing another beautiful shabby chic journal when I get round to it. So I shall save those. Thank you, Karen. You're a superstar. Let me put those up there so I don't forget where they are. What's this one? Oh, look at that she's made. A little slide there on a dangle. That's cute. A specimen slide. Can I get that off? I'll be able to I'll take that off and I'll be able to slide something inside there. That's lovely. With a lovely dangle as well. That's lovely, that, Karen. Ah, yay! She sent me some die cuts of the specimen slides and film strip now. Don't know if this is the sample one or if it's a knockoff. What's that? Looks like plastic. That's good. Well, like not plastic, like laminated. Perfect. Thank you. Fabulous. What's this one? Look at that lovely topper there. Look, that she's made. Oh, it's like a paperclip one. Oh, lovely. Bob that there because I'll use that. And she sent me some lovely lace here, look. I'm not going to open it all, but yeah, you've got some of that little rosebud trim and some little Chinese braid there. Beautiful. Thank you, Karen. Appreciate that. Oh, massive wadger napkins. Let's see what she's sent me. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? That one's pretty. Ooh, lovely. And that's different. Oh, that's pretty. Is that bluebells? I think that's bluebells. Lovely. Oh. Oh, that one's nice. I like that one. Oh, that's nice with the hummingbirds. Beautiful. Nice selection. I need to get back to my napkin journal. I really do. Those are lovely. Oh, those are pretty as well. Oh, beautiful. Thank you, Karen. You're a little angel. What's this? Undyed. Oh, it's seam binding. Do you know what? You must be psychic because I've fully run out of this stuff. Fully run out of it, and I was thinking I need to get some more. Well, that'll last me quite a while now, that. Perfect. That is American seam binding. Anybody that doesn't know, it's the one that crinkles because it's silk seam binding. You can dye it using your distress inks, and there's quite a big wedge there. Thank you, Karen. Really appreciate that because I'd run out. And then look at it, all little toppers. Look, beautifully made topper there. Look at that. So much little detail. Beautiful. And she sent me some more skinny laces. Perfect for journals. Oh, bless your heart. Thank you. Really appreciate that. What's this one? Another one. Look at that paper clip there. That's going to have to go in my journal. That's lovely. And some more beautiful laces there, look, to use. Thank you, Karen. What we got here? Look at that top. That top is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. She's blooming talented. That's beautiful. And look how simple that is. All it is just one, excuse me, sorry, I'm choking on fresh air. Just one little bead there, wrapped round and hung on there, and that looks lovely. Clever girl, like that. What's in here? Let's have a look what these are. Don't know what these are. Look like photos. Yeah, the photos. I wonder if these are Tim Holtz, because they're quite oh, Paisley. No, that's WWE Paisley. That's up where Karen is. But these look American. Yeah, that looks very Tim Holtz, that, doesn't it? Oh, look at them. Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, look at those. Like film strip. I like those. Those are awesome. Very cool. Thank you. Don't have any of them. So that's very useful. What we got here? Old stamps. Oh, bless you. Look at that. Another little tag. Beautiful. So some old stamps there. English. That's French, I think. Oh, lovely. Thank you, Karen. Appreciate that, because it's nice to have, you know, the genuine thing into it. Lovely. Thank you. What's this one? It'll look like butterflies. Look at that. How lovely is that? Use your wings. Beautiful. Let's have a look. And these are in like CD wallets. I'm not going to get them all out, but this is just what Karen's like. This is just what she's like with her attention to detail. So they're layered up. So that one looks like vellum and then book page, and then she's put diamante trim there. Beautiful. Look at that one. Lovely. Oh, these are pretty, Karen. These little tiny ones. Beautiful. I have got patience to sit and do tiny little things like that, but I don't think I free myself up enough. I'm not going to say I don't have time, because you have time to do everything you want. It's about prioritising. I don't free up enough time to make things like that. Let me just make sure I save that. I'll just grab that off there. I'll take it off in a minute. Beautiful doily, I'll save that. There's some more lovely laces there. Another little lovely paper clip. Each one's got a dangle. That's beautiful. Lovely, thank you, Karen. What we got here? Oh, metalware. Look at that. Lovely. And little dominoes. That's a good idea, dominoes for layering. I might do some dominoes. That's lovely. And then in there we've got some, I'm not going to empty them all, some ribbon holders and some little charms. Thank you. Perfect. What's this one? It says peaceful. Look at those lovely butterflies again with that little diamante trim. And we've got some more laces in there. I won't get them all out, but that's a wider one. That's nice. And that one you can feed ribbon through. Perfect. Thank you. Another little envelope. All decorated. Beautiful. What's in here? Oh, look at those. Gosh, I haven't had any of these for years. Like brooch pins. Thank you, Karen. And then some of the larger paper clips. Thank you. What's this one? Stamperia. Beautiful. Look at that. It's got music notes and flourish and writing. That's really pretty. Thank you. That's Stamperia. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you. Oh, what's this? Oh, rice paper. Oh, that's pretty, isn't it? I won't want to use that. Carta de riso, rice paper, yeah. So you use them a little bit like napkins, don't you? Yeah, I'm not going to want to use that. That's going into hard vault. What's this one? And another one. Oh, there's a little random butterfly there. How's that got out, you slippery little sucker? That's lovely, isn't it? Another rice paper. Yeah, that's going to get hoarded. They'll need to go in the hard vault for about 15 years before I can make them. So there you go. I just thought I'd share that naughty little rack that Karen sent when she was only meant to be sending me one thing. But that's Karen for you. That's Karen for you. So there you go. She's also admin over on my Facebook group, is Karen. And met her through YouTube. Through my channel on YouTube. We used to follow the same person and we got chatting, and she's one of the, along with Kay, one of the ones I've been friends with the longest, and who I have met in real life. In fact, I need to go up and see her again. It's just that she's rude and she lives miles away. I'll have to go up and see her, but it's flipping cold in Scotland. So there you go, just thought I'd share that with you, and normal service will resume as soon as I've finished my project for my customer, for my special lady, because, you know, I like to, when I'm doing custom orders, I like to just focus on that so that I'm not, so that I do a good job, because I take a lot of pride in my work. So there you go, thanks for watching, have a fab weekend, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye for now.